Goody hey, or welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm back to review this beautiful babe right here. This is my Bennett Read air fryer. I purchased it 2 years ago. I got it at Locust August 2023. I'm still using it and I'm still loving it. So today I'm going to do a 2 year after use review on this Bennett Read air fryer. So yes, looking at the appearance, it's still looking good. Still looking lead. The cable is still intact. No wires out. Haven't tried to open it because it has not given me any problems. Except for in here. Of which I think is the problem for every air fryer after being used multiple times. I mean, like after a year or 2 years. So first of all, we're going to look at this. Our basket looks like this. You see, it has some scratches because I've been washing it and washing it after washing it, because this is my everyday go-to appliance. You know, if you're a busy mom, you're in and out, this is the best appliance you can have. I have a video where I show you how I wash it. You can check it out. I'll be listing it in the description. This is our tray. All the top coat gone and the rust is rusting. But anyway, I've been using foil to cover it up every time I cook, so I don't have to worry about the rust. And coming to the base of our top part, this is how it looks. It looks so crusty. Every time somebody purchases an air fryer, we know that at the end of the day, it's going to end up looking like this. So for you to take good care of your air fryer so that it lasts 2 years, do a proper wash, which has shown you how I do mine in this video. This upper part also needs some thorough cleaning. Yes. So I've been using vinegar, baking soda, and hot water with my dish soap to clean it thoroughly. You know, I put it in the tray, put it in, let it boil. I mean, like I cook it for some time, let it boil, and after that, I'll just be cleaning it thoroughly with a towel. And if there are some sticky things, I use a light scrubbing tool. I talked about it in that video. So yeah, guys, I would recommend you to get a Bennett Read air fryer. This is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money. So I'm loving it and I'm thinking of repurchasing it again and again and again. So if you're searching for any kind of an air fryer that you want to purchase for your home, Bennett Read air fryer is a good choice. Talking of the size, this is 5.5 liters and it has been doing me so well. I don't have to cook things in different batches. I have a family of 4, me, my husband, and 2 kids. But, you know, it has been serving us so well. So well. So my review is, this is a good product. this is a good product. It's a digital one, and all the buttons are still working well. Let me just plug it in and show you. Everything is still intact, like it's still intact. As you can see, it's on and still responding. The button is still working so well. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. This is Bennett Read air fryer. I'm just so much loving it. You can check the unboxing video here. That's where you're going to see how it was when it came compared to how it is now after 2 years and 4 months. Thank you for watching up to this far. If you haven't subscribed, kindly go ahead and subscribe. Help a sister grow here. Until I see you in my next videos, as I'll be using it more, preparing those meals that I enjoy with my family, like this quick snack pie that has been done in an air fryer. Hope you enjoy.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine.
So our pie is ready now, ready to be snatched. So nice, so delicious. I'm just loving it. One other thing is that in terms of speed and cook quality, some of those food that I used to take only 20 minutes to cook now are taking 30 minutes to cook. But the product comes out still looking mwah. Just that I need to increase more time to process them. Bye. I would like to call it a day for now. Bye.